Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of gold futures. Here you can see that how the gold futures closed the last week under some selling pressure, where you can see that how the gold futures have closed the last week at a very decisive point, where I find that the gold has come in a strict tight range trading, where you can see that how the gold futures have been maintaining a strict trading zone from the levels of $1788 to $1823, where I find that a breakout out of this range could give a final direction to gold futures. But here you can see that in a weekly time frame, here you can see that how still the gold futures have been maintaining well below the 9 days moving average. An exhaustive candle in a weekly time frame got confirmation with the formation of this bearish candle during the last week. Looks evident enough for continuity of selling pressure in gold futures, where a breakdown below this immediate support at the levels of $1801 could push the gold futures up to the levels of $1758. Here I find that if the gold futures are not able to defend the immediate support at the levels of $1783 during the upcoming week, we'll see this downward trend to continue in gold futures, where the next support for gold futures can be seen at the levels of $1752, from where we could find some buying support for gold futures. But here, if the gold futures are not able to hold the levels of $1752, we'll see this downward trend to continue up to the levels of $1679, where a major support for gold futures is here. So once again, the gold futures could retest the lows of $1679, where the gold futures found strong support during the month of March 2021. So this level seems to be a major support for gold futures. But on the other hand, if the gold futures found a breakout above this uptrend zone, here you can see that I have drawn an uptrend zone here. Here I find that a breakout above the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of the 1801, could keep this uptrend intact. But here I find that the major resistance for gold futures can be seen at the levels of the 1855, and below this level the gold futures will not be able to move more upward. The final resistance for gold futures will be at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of the 1907. So friends, here I find that the weakness could continue in gold futures if the gold futures are not able to hold above the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of the 1805. Friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the gold futures have finally witnessed the formation of a bearish crossover during the last week. Here you can see that how the 26 days moving average has come below the 9 days moving average, but still the gold futures are maintaining well above the 26 days moving average, where they found their immediate support on last Friday at the levels of $1789, from where the gold futures found some recovery. But finally the 9 days moving average seems to be an immediate resistance for gold futures, which is at the levels of $1812. So friends, here I find that the immediate resistance for gold futures will be at the levels of $1812, and the next resistance will be at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is at the levels of $1821, and the next will be at the levels of $1836. So friends, here I find that if the gold futures are not able to sustain above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $1836, we'll see the selling pressure in gold futures to continue. In case of every upward move, the gold futures could find stiff resistance at the levels of $1834, from where we could see selling to continue. And on the lower side, the immediate support can be seen at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 1792, and a breakdown below this level could push the gold up to the levels of the 1776, where the next support can be seen here in gold. But here I find that a sustainable move below the levels of the 1776 could push the gold futures to retest the lows of March 2021. So friends, this level seems to be the final support for gold futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.